Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to be in this overall sideways range, but could already be in the fifth wave, okay? Even though it looks very choppy, very corrective on the way up, but the idea is that possibly this fourth wave finished. And let's discuss that further in this video. Overall, situation completely unchanged. Yeah, if we zoom out a little bit, you see this potentially still unfolding five-wave pattern to the upside, where we had a wave 1, we had a wave 2, had a wave 3. We explored yesterday in the video that the wave 4 basically, reached the same length as the wave 2. Something I always emphasize, that this is not an absolute rule, but it is quite a reliable guideline in crypto, that we say that the wave 4 oftentimes reaches around about the same length as a wave 2. Time-wise, reliable, not an absolute rule. There can be exceptions, but obviously we are leaning always towards the probabilities. We try to align ourselves with probabilities, and it sort of again showed that at least the same length is reached also in this or duration was needed to correct this move, this rally in a third wave. These long corrections also happen especially in crypto due to the strong movements. I mean, it is quite normal in crypto to get these wild extensions and very rapid movements in a third wave, but they are typically followed by very extended corrections. So the next move up should be a fifth wave, and it might have started. I mean, I definitely have the duration I need for the wave 4. I also have had the price where I wanted it in the trading area. It dipped into the area and now is rallying. Well, it's not a great rally, is it? But it's still, compared to what Bitcoin did in recent the last couple of weeks, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's been holding really well, and a good demonstration that Bitcoin and altcoins, they can decouple, even if it's not crazy rally here. But what I wanted to share with you is also, I mean, this move down or this fourth wave could have easily unfolded as an A wave, as a B wave, and a C wave. So it's technically it could be complete, or it's maybe a WXY. Is it important? Not so much. Looks more like an ABC though, especially with the overshooting B wave. So a typical expanded flat where the B wave overshoots and the C wave ends below the low of the A wave. And now the idea would be that the fifth wave has started. Okay, this is going to remain my perspective as long as the price stays above the $13.60 level. Okay, so this swing low in wave 2 is a level I mentioned in the last few videos as well. So very consistent. The analysis hasn't really changed. It is now possible that we are in an ending diagonal in basically wave 5. Circle wave 5 is an ending diagonal, and therefore the subwaves are corrective. I mean, it's pretty obvious that the wave 1 was a 3-wave move. Basically, it's wave 1 of wave 5. Pretty obvious the wave 2 was one as well. The wave 3 could obviously still be unfolding. It should be unfolding still, because the Fibonacci levels tell us that we haven't got a third wave yet. So what does a third wave need to do? It should ideally reach the 1.38 extension. That's at 1850, or higher is always possible. But minimally, it should reach $18, the 1.236 extension. And we're not there yet. Okay, so that's what I'd like to see. At the moment, it is possible that an A wave completed in wave 3. It is possible that a B wave completed in wave 3, and the C wave might be unfolding right now. So that's what we are observing. Also, obviously, there is micro support here at $14.20, which ideally is holding. But more important is that $13.60 level. And then as the price climbs higher, sort of the $18.30 or $18.30 level should be good resistance. It's this previous swing high that we discussed many times, which was formed in April 2022. You see that when we go to the left. Here, structural resistance, also previous support. It was also resistance already in February 22, even though the price peaked a little higher. But also back then, the price could not maintain above that level. So this green line provided support, or it just shows an area where there was previous support and resistance. So it's the area around, you could say $18 to $19. It's typically not one particular price point. Prices are far too dynamic for that. And the fifth wave, if it's unfolding, it should reach $21 plus. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.